Huawei H19338-V3.0 exam practice questions with explanations are available in the video for you to study. In a Huawei Ocean Store MPPDB distributed database, if the number of users, processing nodes, and data volume all double, what will typically happen to system performance? A. Performance improvement. B. Performance degradation. C. Unpredictable. D. Performance remains the same. The answer is A. MPPDB, Massively Parallel Processing Database, uses a distributed architecture where adding more processing nodes enables parallel execution. When data, users, and nodes scale proportionally, the workload is balanced across the cluster, leading to improved overall performance. Which statement about Huawei Fusion Cube 1000 is correct? A. Fusion Cube 1000 is a 9000-based solution. B. Fusion Cube 1000 is a centrally managed branch solution. C. Fusion Cube 1000 is a Kunlun server-based solution. D. Fusion Cube 1000 is a 9000-based solution. The answer is B. Huawei Fusion Cube 1000 is designed for branch scenarios and provides simplified deployment with centralized management. It is not based on Kunlun servers or Ocean Store 9000 architecture. Its main advantage is easy O&M, operations and maintenance, across distributed branch locations. What is the main value Huawei Smart Virtualization provides to customers? A. On-demand purchase of storage resources to reduce initial investment. B. Heterogeneous virtualization that integrates storage resources from mainstream vendors. C. Unified management of high, mid, and low-end storage systems to greatly improve efficiency. The answer is B. Huawei Smart Virtualization allows customers to virtualize and integrate heterogeneous storage systems from different manufacturers. This enables unified resource allocation, simplifies management, and maximizes the value of existing storage investments. Huawei's two-city three-center disaster recovery solution supports which architectures? A. Parallel architecture, cascade architecture. B. Parallel architecture, star architecture. C. Cascade architecture, star architecture. D. Parallel architecture, cascade architecture, star architecture. The answer is D. Huawei's two-city three-center solution is designed to ensure high availability and business continuity. It supports parallel, cascade, and star architectures, providing flexibility to meet different enterprise DR requirements for performance, distance, and cost. What is the primary function of Huawei Smart Partition technology? A. Use SSDs to expand the L2 cache. B. Virtual pooling of storage resources. C. Assign cache quotas, partitions, to core business workloads. D. Share and allocate volume space on demand. The answer is C. Smart partition allows administrators to allocate dedicated cache partitions for critical applications or services. This ensures that key workloads maintain stable and predictable performance, even in mixed business environments. Which data deduplication method helps minimize the amount of data transferred between the service host and the backup device? A. Source-side deduplication. B. Inline deduplication. C. Post-process deduplication. The answer is A. Source-side deduplication eliminates duplicate data before it is sent to the backup device. This reduces network traffic and improves backup efficiency. Inline and post-process deduplication operate on the backup device itself, so they don't reduce transfer traffic between host and device. Which of the following statements about RAID 2.0 Plus is incorrect? A. Requires parameter reconfiguration of all hard disks in the storage pool. B. Uses one-to-many fast reconstruction instead of traditional many-to-one reconstruction. C. Data recovery is up to 20 times faster than traditional RAID. D. Greatly reduces the impact on business during the reconstruction process. The answer is A. RAID 2.0 Plus introduces storage pools and disk domains, enabling one-to-many reconstruction and significantly improving recovery speed. It also minimizes service impact during failures. It does not require reconfiguring all disk parameters when building storage pools. That statement is incorrect. Which feature is unique to Huawei's mid-range storage, but in other vendors' products is typically only available in high-end storage? A. RPO in seconds. B. Thin provisioning. C. Asynchronous replication. D. Snapshot. The answer is A. Huawei mid-range storage delivers RPO, recovery point objective, in seconds, a capability that other vendors usually reserve for their high-end storage systems. Features like thin provisioning, snapshots, and asynchronous replication are common across different tiers, but second-level RPO sets Huawei apart in mid-range offerings. A customer wants to obtain a complete copy of a LUN's data at a specific point in time for data analysis, while keeping business uninterrupted. Which Huawei software function should be recommended? A. Snapshot. B. Hyperclone. C. Remote replication. D. LUN copy. The answer is B. Huawei Hyperclone creates a full data copy of a LUN that can be used for testing, analysis, or backup without affecting production services. Snapshots only provide a point-in-time virtual copy, while remote replication and LUN copy are used for backup, replication scenarios rather than full local business analysis. In which scenarios is the deduplication and compression accelerator card most suitable? A. Scenarios where IOPS is the main requirement. B. Storage systems with low CPU utilization, less than 50%. C. High bandwidth read and write scenarios. D. Database scenarios. The answer is B. The deduplication and compression accelerator card offloads processing from the storage CPU, making it ideal when CPU utilization is low, so that deduplication and compression can be performed efficiently without impacting overall performance. It is not suited for scenarios demanding maximum IOPS, high bandwidth operations, or latency-sensitive database workloads.